Hey, so in case you don't have superhuman vision and or you're just old like me, I'm going to show you how to make things appear bigger on the OPS or the onboard computer on your Promethean, so you could see things from far away. And you can do this the same way you do it on your desktop or laptop. So you're going to go to the Start and click on the Settings gear. And in the settings gear, you could either search for ease of access or click on ease of access right here. And you can make the text bigger, right? And you use the sliding scale to do that, but that doesn't change the icons, just the text. And I would recommend making everything bigger. And so you just go down here to make everything bigger. And what I have found on the Promethean panels, anything in the 175 to 200 range works for me. Could go as high as 225%, and that might help. But anyway, that's all there is to it. After you hit that, you're good.